Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to create abstract portrait effect in Photoshop. So, without any further delay, let's get started. First select an image. Then go to Layer panel. Select Threshold and adjust it. You can also select levels from Layer panel if you want and adjust it. Hold Shift. Select Layer and then right-click and merge layer. You can also do it by Ctrl+E. Select Lasso tool and select Face. Copy layer. You can also select Body if you want. Select Ctrl+T, and resize an image. After selecting Face, select Eraser tool and erase unnecessary part. Select Type tool, and type the text. Resize it by pressing Ctrl+T. Now after adjusting an image and text, select any abstract painting, adjust it, and change the blending option to screen. Select level, and adjust effect. Select any paper texture, adjust it, and change the blending mode to multiply. Here is a final effect. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more. Thank you.